Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between two very popular digital audio workstations, Avid Pro Tools and Universal Audio Luna. If you're a music producer, a recording artist, an audio engineer, a podcaster, or even someone just setting up a home studio, this video is going to help you decide which audio tool actually fits your workflow. Let's get started. Pro Tools is one of the most established digital audio workstations in the world. It has been around for decades and is widely considered the industry standard for professional audio recording, mixing, and post-production. Pro Tools is built for precision. Everything from audio editing to mixing automation is designed to give engineers exact control over every sound. That's why it's often the first DAW people learn when they want to work professionally in audio. However, with that power also comes complexity. Pro Tools is not necessarily designed to be fun or experimental. It's designed to be accurate, reliable, and scalable for big projects. Luna is a digital audio workstation created by Universal Audio, a company known for high-end audio interfaces and analog hardware emulations. Unlike Pro Tools, Luna was designed with one main goal: to make digital recording feel more like working in an analog studio. It's especially appealing to musicians and producers who want to capture performances quickly without delaying with heavy technical setup. Luna feels more like a modern creative environment rather than a traditional engineering tool. Now, what are the main features of both platforms? We start with Pro Tools. Pro Tools offers a deep and professional feature set designed for large, complex projects, advanced multi-track recording, for vocals, instruments, and live sessions, extremely powerful audio editing tools including time stretching, pitch correction, clip gain, and non-destructive edits, professional grade mixing environment with automation, buses, routing, and surround sound support, large plugin ecosystem supporting thousands of third-party plugins, cloud collaboration tools that allow multiple users to work on the same project, and of course scalable versions from beginner-friendly to high-end studio-level tools. This makes Pro Tools ideal for projects where accuracy, compatibility, and detailed editing matter the most. Now, how about Luna? Luna takes a different approach and focuses more on the recording and creative process. There's a built-in analog tape and console emulations, giving sessions a warm, classic sound, real-time recording with extremely low latency, especially when used with compatible audio interfaces, unlimited audio and MIDI tracks depending on your system power, AI-powered tools like tempo detection, instrument detection, and voice control, integrated instruments and effects, reducing the need for external plugins, and a clean, intuitive interface that feels closer to working on real studio hardware. Luna is especially attractive for artists who want to focus on performance and creativity instead of technical setup. Now, what are the pricing like? With Luna, there's the free version and there's the paid version, which is the Luna Pro. Luna Pro currently costs $129 and has everything in Luna with additional features. With Pro Tools, there is an artist plan at €99 per year. There's a studio plan, which is the most popular, at €289 per year, and there's also the ultimate plan at €589 per year. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with the pros. For Pro Tools, it's an industry standard software that is used worldwide, and it has extremely precise audio editing tools. It's powerful for mixing and for doing automation. It also has massive plugin and hardware compatibility. And the pros of using Luna: it's free to start and affordable to upgrade. It has a warm analog style workflow, very low latency recording, and clean and creative interface. How about the cons? For Pro Tools, it can be expensive, especially with the subscriptions, and has a steep learning curve for beginners. It may also feel overwhelming for small or simple projects. And the Luna? It is still newer with fewer advanced editing tools, and the MIDI and complex routing are not as deep as Pro Tools. So which one should you choose? Well, if you're working in professional studios, collaborating with engineers, or planning to work in film, TV, or large commercial projects, then Pro Tools is still the safest and most powerful choice. It offers unmatched control, precision, and compatibility across the audio industry. However, if you are a producer, a songwriter, a singer, a home studio creator, and you care more about creativity, feel, and fast recording, then Luna is incredibly appealing. It removes a lot of technical friction and lets you focus on capturing great performances. So here's a brief summary to conclude it all. Choose Pro Tools if precision, industry standards, and advanced editing are your priority. And choose Luna if creative workflow, analog sound, and affordability matter more to you. And that's it on the comparison of Pro Tools and Luna. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Ableton Live, Logic Pro, and Reaper. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.